Hello everybody, hi to all, good morning and have a nice week everyone. And today I try to finish logs from Paul in his first mailbox to me. It was first, I believe it's not final, but this log final in this mailbox. So I want to say you, Paul, big thanks from me. Why? Because you give me very, very interesting looks. Like Nigby, all like X-Men, because all what I pick from mail, this is very interesting looks. First time I have first practice with locks this quality and so this lock have very many fall gates, true gates. After we see all elements, it's take time, not many, not 7 minutes, 6 minutes, 5 minutes. Here need to move not quickly. 6 seconds now. First, second, third, nice. Third, enter, not bad. First, second, third, 4, not ask, 5, 6, ask, I sure. Nice, 6, nice, 6, very good, 4, nice, 4, 6, 5, no, 3, yes, 2, first, second, very low. Here I can to push with power. We in the start what out, it's good because out just first out what in the plus, not first out what not in the plus, what not finished, after what in the plus, and just after what you put right. I mean pins picked, so it's not all time, every time, like I said, but very time. No, I pick, in my picking process, I think about this moment. Third ask, second ask, very, very strong. Here, my arm not feel good really, because this corner, and I make and not have corner, but so many locks I pick in one day. This not one lock. This is sport lock. Very interesting, really. Five, 4, nice, 6, nice, 5, 4, not time of 4, time of second, third, second, third, 4, no. This I say, if you quick from need here, you not win this lock. If you go just on the pins what you need to work, you pick him. I pick him 6, 5, 10 minutes. First, second, once again, first, second, third, 4, I think now. Yes. Enter without click, but enter in full gaze, I feel it. But where is click? Okay, not now, not now. 6, give click, little click. First, okay. Second, give now. Third, 4, 5, 6. Now I feel just third. Nice. Maybe first, no, maybe second, and 4. I feel 6. Nice. 6 very low. Nice. 5. How many times? 6 minutes. How many times I try to pick him? 6 minutes, 6 minutes, 6 minutes. I can't to make something more. I know every video what I have, 6 minutes picking.
Just a moment. And little moving here. I make this with no quick video.
So this is no, just a moment, I need to move. This is nice. So we have pins what you see, first, second and 6, one forma, 4, 5, not 4, 5, 3, 4, middle, high another, and very high another. That's all. And driver pins like GG. Something very interesting game, very interesting. I try to pick him more quickly, but more quickly maybe we have some way. I not many time use this lock. But okay, I think this way, because picking of pins like here in dimple lock this way, little every asking, little picking, boom, 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 and that's all. If you try to give very many power and to put pin in the line of opening, so it's not well good. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Paul, thank you. Very big thanks for you for locks, but we have continue with lever lock, and this is a nice lock. I don't know nothing about this lock, but I think will very interesting. For me, this lock very interesting. A levers lock. And every lock from here, from this box, from Nigby, from X-Men, from every I say I open for changing, for surprise, for I don't know. Somebody need MTL, multi-log, RAW barrier, 2-in-1, my mail in my page. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice week. Have a nice day. Bye bye.